Hiya, welcome back to OET Learnuary. It's day 10. I hope most of you have been following all the previous days, but just in case you haven't, what I'm doing is creating a video every day for you this February, so you can change February into OET Learnuary and build your skills ahead of your OET. Today we're looking at some tips about OET listening, and so many of my students ask me, I've done all the listening practice papers, great to do, but that's not really enough to build your skills, and they know that, and they say to me, well, Sona, how can I build my skills? How can I practice for this? Well, let me show you how. I'm going to give you a free website that you can use to practice for your OET. Okay, what I'd like you to do is go to TED.com. If you don't know this, it's a great website with lots of free presentations about all different topics that you can imagine. Now, this is good because it has presentations, and of course, in listening part C, you are going to hear a presentation. What you need to do is to click here and to search for healthcare, maybe oncology, any kind of healthcare that you're interested in, pharmacy, etc. But generally, if you just search for health, you can actually find something. You can explore by topics here, podcasts, and also you can watch things which are popular, they're trending at this time, and you can also search by time. So maybe you've only got 5 minutes today to look through things, so you just pick a talk that's 5 minutes long. This one that I've picked out here is by Richard Weller, and it was back in 2012, so there's a whole host of videos to choose from, going way back up until now. And this particular one is all about vitamin D from the sun. They give you a summary here, and dermatologist Richard Weller suggests sun may confer another surprising benefit too. And he talks about the research. Now, this is the clever bit. Go to transcript, and this will give you the whole transcript. And not just that, you can click and listen.
And of course, they were right. Australians have about a third less heart disease than we do, less deaths from heart attacks.
Okay, so maybe you didn't catch this bit, you can go back, just click on it again.
Within Britain, there is a gradient of health, and this is what's called...
And then maybe you think, well, what is a gradient of health? So maybe you can just try and guess from the context, or you can go on to something like macmillan.com and look up gradient, and gradient is about, it's a measure of how steep a road is, or the rate of change of something. So it's more likely to be this one. So there's a change, there's a gradient. And he goes on to say, your chances of dying, because from the data, comparing your rates of dying 50 degrees north, that's the south, that's London and places, by latitude 55 degrees. The bad news is here, Glasgow, worse news even if it's Edinburgh. So just the further north you go in the UK, actually the chances of dying are much higher. So find out a little bit more, spend some time looking up things, go back, keep listening, don't look, write down what you hear, go back and check, have you got the correct ideas down, and just follow along. So use your mouth so that your ear and your eyes, your brain really are catching the same words.
But you know, it's not just Australia that has better health than Britain.
So you can hear his intonation. You can actually read along as well. Pick a section and read along, so you're getting the rhythm of English in your voice. But it's not just Australia that has better health than Britain. You don't need to read out loudly, or you can do.
Not just
Australia that has better health than Britain. So read with him. Copy what he's saying, and that will also help improve your intonation and pronunciation for the speaking as well. The other good thing, of course, about TED is it gives you things to watch next which will be connected, such as the mystery of chronic pain. So again, more things that you can watch and listen to so you can improve your listening skills. Thanks very much for watching. You've been watching Sona from Bose Learning. I'm a premium preparation provider of the OET, and I hope you're enjoying these OET Learnuary videos. Please share these with a friend, colleague, anyone you think might be interested, and see you again next time. By the way, if you want to keep up to date with what we're doing, then have a look in the information box below, and I put in a link there so you can subscribe to the free newsletter that comes out regularly and gives you a regular dose of everything OET. I hope to see you then. Bye!